欢迎跟我学中文。今天我们学习怎么说
Mom, why would someone kill themselves?
Well, sometimes people are so unhappy they think that's the only way they can solve their problems.
Mom, why would someone kill themselves?
妈，人为什么会自寻短见？妈，人为什么会自寻短见？
Well, sometimes people are so unhappy they...
这个嘛，人有时候会如此不开心。这个嘛，人有时候会如此不开心。
They think that's the only way they can solve their problems.
以致觉得那是他们唯一解决问题的方法。以致觉得那是他们唯一解决问题的方法。我们先来学一下生词。妈，为什么人会自寻短见？妈，人，为什么会自寻短见？This is a fixed character combo to mean committing a suicide. It literally means self-seeking short-sightedness. Each of these two combos are also common in everyday language. You'll see more in future episodes. So we can see when we are asking a general question about people, we say 人为什么? Next sentence. 这个嘛，人有时候会如此不开心。这个嘛，嘛。This is one of those words that I called meta tags. They don't have meaning on their own, cannot be used on their own, and they're not needed for correct grammar. If it's used, they just add extra information to how something is expressed. 这个 means this one. 这个嘛 this one, well, let me think. And if tagged with different tags, different thinking will be implied. Back to where we were. 人有时候会 We'll talk about this word a bit more later. You might also want to check out episode 3 for a discussion of a phrase involving this word. 如此不开心以致觉得那是他们唯一解决问题的方法。以致觉得 We'll also have a look at this word a bit more later. 那是他们唯一解决问题的方法。解决问题的方法。解决问题的方法。So here is the original sentence in full. The main frame is so something that something. And the Chinese has exactly the same structure. So unhappy that they think that's the only way out. And this is the matchup, except the that bit cannot be left out like the one in English. 会 will, could, would, probably. One of the most used words in Chinese. Here are some of the many equivalents from English. Like its equivalents, 会 always comes before the action words or the descriptive words associated with it. 会很不开心 will be, could be, would be unhappy. 会来 will, could, would be coming. 会愿意 will, would, could be willing. So you can see whenever these words are involved, just use 会 and you'll be on the side of 90% being right. 觉得 To believe something to be something based on how you feel about it. 他觉得他人很好 She thinks he's a nice guy. 你觉得呢？ What do you think? How do you feel about it? 我不觉得怎么样 I don't think much of it. 好，下一节我们学习怎么说
But Mrs. Young always seemed happy.
Yeah. Sometimes people pretend to be one way on the outside when they're totally different on the inside.
If you find this content useful, please like this video to support my channel. 多谢各位的陪伴，我们下次见。